Hello everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do it. You will get all the notifications of my forthcoming videos. Today we will learn about 10th Standard Geography and its first chapter, Resources and Development, from the NCERT textbook. As you know, so many state boards are following NCERT textbook. So I would like to explain this topic in Hindi and English as well. This topic of resources and development is very important because resources are vital for human survival and for the sustainable development. Let us know in detail about the resources through this presentation. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, Chapter 1, Resources and Development. We have divided this chapter into two parts. First, resources, its classification and types, development and planning, and its conservation. दूसरा है soil as a resource, its classification, soil erosion, and soil conservation. अब हम बात करेंगे रिसोर्स की डेफिनेशन के बारे में. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिसोर्स? मदर नेचर ने हमें एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत सी ब्यूटीफुल वस्तुएं दी हैं, बट हर चीज का इस्तेमाल हम नहीं करते हैं. जिन भी चीजों को हम अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल करते हैं या जो हमारी जरूरतों को सेटिस्फाई करती हैं, उन्हें हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. Whatever we use in our daily life satisfy our needs, provided it should be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable, is known as resource. For example, coal, water, air, minerals, so on and so forth. Now, resource पर तीन चीजों की कंडीशन लगाई है. आइए जानिए कैसे. रिसोर्स, जैसे कि हमने अभी जाना, एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल इन द एनवायरमेंट विच सेटिस्फाई आवर नीड्स इज रिसोर्स. नाउ विच आर द थ्री कंडीशंस? फर्स्ट इज it should be technologically accessible. Suppose we are mining oil. Related to that, the new technology should be with us. It should be within our access. And it should be economically feasible. The second parts come about finance. It should be cost effective. It should not be like this कि हमने मिनरल ऑयल तो निकाला कुछ लाख रुपीस का और करोड़ों रुपया हमने उसको निकालने में और उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी में खर्च कर दिया. It should not be there. Then it will not be economically feasible. The resource second condition is it should be cost effective and economically feasible. It should be within the reach of the pocket of the people. Now, third and important part is it should be culturally acceptable. Means हमारी सोसाइटी में और हमारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस और हमारे ट्रेडिशंस के अकॉर्डिंग ये एक्सेप्टेबल होना चाहिए. लाइक अगर माइनिंग ऑयल के बारे में हम बात करें और ऑयल हमें पता चला किसी ऐसी सेक्रेड और ट्राइबल एरिया में है जहां पर माइनिंग अलाउड ही नहीं है, तो इट विल नॉट बी कल्चरली एक्सेप्टेबल. So in short, you got to know the definition of resource, whatever satisfy human needs, and the three conditions are applicable on that. First is it should be technologically accessible, second economically feasible, and third it should be culturally acceptable, that is known as resource. So a very important 1 mark question of CBSE is prepared here. Now we will see how we can use them. Human being transform the available material in the environment. Like you are seeing this slide here, human being is in the center. One corner is given to the nature, another is institution, and on third part is for technology. So what human being is doing here? Human being, whatever is needed, interact with the environment, with the nature. They transform that material with the help of institution. When I say institutions, means in the manufacturing units or in the industries, with the help of technology, give it a desired shape which satisfy the need of the people. Here the definition of resource completes.